Hi, I'm Dwight Streu and I'm a realtor in Edmonton, Alberta. Just wanted to give you a little bit of a market update, let you know what's been happening in the real estate market over the last month as April sales statistics have just been released. So not a big surprise. Sales were up 17% in April over March of this year. And that's pretty typical as we head into the busier spring market that the sales increase. However, the sales are down just over 9% over last April. And so that marks actually 10 months in a row where the sales were down over the corresponding month in the previous year. So we have to go back to June to find a month where that did not happen. So, yeah, sales down over last April, but only 9%, so that's not huge. However, what is a little bit more significant is that the inventory has increased just over 30%. So at the end of April, we had about 30% more properties for sale than we did at the same time last year. So that's a fairly significant change, especially when you take the two together. A 9% decrease in sales, 30% increase in inventory. So far, it hasn't affected prices that much, at least not according to the statistics. The overall residential selling price is actually 2% higher than we were sitting at the same time last year. Now, that does surprise me because I am seeing a lot of properties selling that I think would have sold for more last year, and a lot of properties that are on the market that are not selling. And so it could be a bit of a lag effect. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we did see some more pressure on prices later in the year as some sellers start to get a little bit more anxious about selling and adjust their prices in order to do so. So stay tuned. We'll let you know what's happening in a month from now. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.